AI revolutionizes science, health, and work while reshaping our future.
AI has cracked a decades-old puzzle in particle physics, enabling quantum field theories to be simulated on computers with unprecedented efficiency. This breakthrough combines artificial intelligence with quantum physics to optimize lattice formulations for computational models.
As one Redditor put it, finally, AI is doing something useful instead of just generating cat memes, though I'm sure it'll find a way to mess this up too.
While this technological leap promises faster scientific discovery, we must scrutinize whether such centralized computational power truly expands individual choice or merely consolidates control. The market's organic innovation through decentralized experimentation has historically proven more resilient than top-down solutions that often yield unintended consequences. From AI solving quantum physics puzzles to the broader implications of automation in creative fields.
Research shows that extended time in space can physically reshape astronauts' brains, raising new questions about the long-term safety of space travel. This brain plasticity in zero gravity affects fluid distribution and could impact cognitive function upon return to Earth.
As one Reddit user put it, so space literally makes you lose your mind guess that explains why my ex became an astronaut.
When governments fund space exploration, they create artificial incentives that distort the true costs and benefits, often prioritizing political prestige over genuine scientific advancement. A truly sustainable space industry would emerge only when private individuals, freely choosing to invest their own resources, demonstrate that the perceived benefits outweigh the very real risks to human physiology. From the brain-altering effects of space, travel to the next frontier in technology.
A new scientific breakthrough claims humans could soon live to 150 years old, according to an expert who developed a method to track cellular aging. This longevity research suggests we might be on the cusp of dramatically extending human lifespans through biological interventions. As one Reddit user put it, great, now I'll have to work until I'm 130 just to afford retirement. What a beep-ing blessing. While the intention is to improve human welfare, we must consider whether such interventions would primarily benefit those who can afford them, creating new inequalities rather than solving old ones. The market's response to extended lifespans would likely prioritize profitable applications over equitable distribution, demonstrating how even well-intentioned breakthroughs can produce unintended consequences that require individual choice and competition to address properly. From cellular breakthroughs promising longer lives to cosmic discoveries reshaping our minds.
In the 1980s, Formula One turbo era produced engines generating over 1,000 horsepower, more than doubling previous outputs through forced induction technology. This engineering arms race created cars so powerful that drivers described them as beep-ing terrifying to control at the limit.
As one Reddit commenter perfectly summarized, they basically strapped a bomb to a go-kart and called it innovation.
The turbo revolution demonstrates how competitive markets drive technological breakthroughs that no central planner could mandate. Yet these innovations often create unintended consequences that undermine their original purpose. The pursuit of raw power, while celebrated by engineers and fans, ultimately produced vehicles so unstable that they threatened the very sport they were meant to advance. A classic case of market-driven innovation colliding with practical reality. From turbocharged engineering breakthroughs with explosive consequences to another realm where technology meets human limits.
A new Gallup poll reveals that 12% of U.S. workers now use AI daily, with adoption concentrated in tech and finance sectors. This rapid integration is sparking widespread concerns about job displacement across various industries.
As one Reddit commenter put it, my boss says AI will make us more efficient, but I'm pretty sure it's just making my job description shorter.
In a free market, technological adoption occurs organically as individuals weigh costs against perceived benefits, not through centralized mandates. The true test will be whether these tools enhance human productivity or merely redistribute labor in ways that policymakers cannot predict or control. From AI's workplace integration to how these systems are trained on our digital footprints.
AI data centers are now heating university campuses, turning energy waste into a practical solution. This innovation is spreading as cities explore repurposing excess heat from computing hubs.
As one Reddit user quipped, "So my Netflix binge is finally warming something other than my couch."
While well-intentioned, such centralized solutions often ignore the spontaneous efficiency of decentralized markets where individuals choose their own heating methods. The true test will be whether this imposed efficiency survives competition from alternatives that emerge when people are free to pursue their own interests. From AI heating our buildings to AI changing our workplaces.
Nvidia is expanding its open-source AI models for weather and climate tracking, offering 15-day global forecasts. This move makes advanced weather prediction more accessible to developers and researchers worldwide. As one Reddit user quipped, "Finally, I can blame AI when my picnic gets rained out." When companies voluntarily share technology, they create value that markets can distribute more efficiently than any central planner. The true test will be whether this open approach leads to better predictions that people actually use, rather than just good intentions.
The path ahead holds both promise and unpredictability, but our ability to adapt will define our success. Stop trying, just win.